Oscar has just woken me up and look what's happened. It's torrential rain in Fuerteventura, and you see this big strip here? That is the drains. They're very good at making drains, yeah, as you can see.
Sun's come back out after it's tipped it down this morning. Oscar had to pull the plug on the spa because it was overfilling. Kids are busy doing the dishes. They've been out to the shop to get some bread. We're going to do some French toast. Last day on holiday, so we're going to use up some of our eggs, and then we're going to go out for a surf. The drying tabs. Electric hobs, pain to make go sometimes. Hello?
Tunnel fare. What have we paid for tunnel fare for you?
Oh, looking nice and golden.
We've been flooded, the roads. We're driving through flooded roads. Hello, and today you're with Kelly Slater. We're going surfing. It's actually blue sky, isn't it?
Yeah.
We have a pink board, which is amazing, pink and blue. And yeah, pink and blue, and someone hasn't put their seatbelt on. Mummy's not coming, she's chilling, and we are going surfing.
Is it foam? Oh, it's foam, look.
But then there's wood.
Part of a boat. It's part of a boat.
But there's wood there.
Yeah, so it's a foamy part of a boat. They put foam in it sometimes to help it float, I think.
The wood is like,
Yeah.
so it's like fun. That's
Yeah.
boring.
Oh, we're so bored.
Tabby's run off to join Oscar. Going for a drive down by the lighthouse to check out the lagoons. Meant to be awesome for snorkeling. Come and have a look down here for next time. I'm not sure if this is a road really. Damn it, got my candles wet. Just video.
No, that's not. See? It's perfect.
I want video.
No, we do video.
We're leaving El Cotillo now and heading. Ooh. Check out how green the grass is at the airport. The rest of Fuerteventura is pretty barren on the scenic front. Green! Nowhere else is green like that.
Yeah, is it real?
It's real! It's real. Oh, that's a good point. I'm just going to return our rental car. So it's like everything in reverse all over again.
Teases me.
Could you get that bag out for me? Oh, helpful son. Trying to get the children to drink water is like encouraging them to take poison today, but I'm trying.
Take that and that, put that in that.
Oh my gosh, it's bouncy grass. Go on, look at it, your feet are disappearing. Oscar, nice hat. Wait. Queuing now to get back on to go home. We're ready, aren't we, Andrew?
Look how easy and simple. Aeroplane. That's Oscar, that's easy to everyone.
No, it's not. You have to go into your setting. Oh no, you have to swipe off.
Do your kids bicker on the gangway towards the plane? Because mine do.
We're about to land at East Midlands Airport, and down there is England. Yay! holiday, but all a bit tired.
And guess where we're gonna stop on the way back?
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Stay tuned for more 2+2 action.
Hi, we are just 15 minutes away from landing, and we've had a very good holiday. After 3 days, I was drawing my dream garden because I asked Mummy, what should I draw? Because I'm always so confused and what to draw, and then she told me dream garden, so I was like, okay.
Surf's up, bro.
Yeah. Down here is England, Oscar stop, and then somewhere.
There's a motorway.
Anyway, hopefully we get Burger King on the way back. Hopefully. Wow! See, Daddy's upset.
Oscar's good, he's reading.
Yeah, well, I was drawing my books on my iPad, and Mummy doesn't trust me. Stop tickling me.
Pull his ears. Stop. Just one more time. Stop. One more time. Stop. Just one.
You get extra chips.
Because I was. Just one more time.
Will I get an Oreo milkshake? Will I get an Oreo?
I don't know if this is a bargaining.
Yeah, sure. You will.
Can I just see your ear?
You will. Yes, you will.
Maybe.
Will I?
Mate, I don't know because sometimes they're out of stock.
No, they're not. Will I get one?
Yes.
Will you try your hardest to get
Yes,
one?
yes.
Will you try your hardest?
Yes. Do his ears. That's so freaky. Look at the sun coming through them. Bet you wish you had little sister like Tabitha. He's pretty resilient. He hasn't attacked her yet. How long will you put up with that, Oscar? Okay, that's it. We've got back to our car in the car park and it's so low on the suspension. It sinks down and we're hoping it'll go up. Go on then.
No, you know what it's doing? It's going, I've missed you so much.
I hope it rises back up again. If we drive along like this, they will think we're in a gangster movie.
Step out, like. Mummy just saw that it's 4 degrees. Watch the car rise up.
Hopefully.
Far too low, it says.
There's a button.
It's not rising, guys.
Which button is
It's-
it?
Just rev it a bit.
Rev it. Don't rev it to
Yeah, it's
the
going
top.
up, it's going up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's rising. Tabitha, stand next to it. Stand next to it.
This is my
In
foot.
comparison to Tabitha's foot. No, put your foot on the ground.
Cover your shade.
Wow, that's pretty cool. It's rising up slowly. It said car too low. Is it still saying car too low?
No, it's gone off now.
Oh,
Now it said
battery protection.
We're on the way back from the airport and somehow we've ended up at Kiribati village. That's the problem with going to East Midlands. Halfway home from the East Midlands you end up going to Bicester village. So it's 7:30 at night on a Saturday, November the 5th. Kids have gone off to watch the fireworks.